Alright, so this is the first sale of the day. It's kind of a twilight right now, so you might not be able to see it, but it's interesting. The clothes and some jackets. Some nice stuff. I'm looking for everything. Today's the day of. I don't want to buy anything, but I'm probably gonna buy a lot. I think he said he buys out like storage units. This garage, so he's told me this before. So let's see. I'm looking for trailers. Any trailers for sale? This is interesting.
How about two? It's a shot in the dark. Completely. The battery compartment doesn't want to open even.
Oh, it's one of those nose hill. Those clippers. It's a Sutera. There's some nice plates here. I see they're even gold. There's gold on the outside. What's this? Interesting. Let's see what's on that side. It's a nice little blender. It's missing the cap though. That's what happens. Some nice tables. I like the tables.
Oh, that's some watches, okay.
Yeah, look at the jewelry. Some journal inserts. These are always good, but these look small. What's this? It's a Nerf gun. Nerf guns. What's this? Oh, this is interesting. This is like a light.
Some smells, and it's sticky.
What is this thing here?
It's a document camera.
A document?
Oh, I know about it. I looked it up.
Interesting.
I think it hooks up to it, like prints the pictures out.
Oh, and what is this little thing? This Nexy book?
I don't really know anything about that.
It's really older. Interesting. Some comic books. What's this? Some soda. See, it's tarnishing here. Interesting. Some glue. I need to buy a lot of stuff, but here's one of these funky tripods with some American dollars. Here's a notebook cooler. What's over here? What's this? It's a nice brush. I'm thinking I might be able to scrub. It's kind of angled a little bit, and I won't be able to get the tool correctly. So, Vero Beach, South Carolina. Interesting. So far, nothing in this string. Nothing has really jumped out at me. I need I know something will though. It's just a matter of time before something jumps out and bites me. So it's what I need. Sweet. DVD player. That's a projector. This. I probably need this. I need a cable modem. which is pretty sad. This is some kind of router. CenturyLink. I don't need that. I need Comcast. This is probably a battery charger. What's this? Oh, it's a little printer. Interesting. It's a little receipt printer. That's awesome, actually. What is this? Oh, it's a bicycle. Wait. There's a cell phone. Adapter. Oh, this is a little propane torch. It's empty. Interesting. I have one like that. They're actually good when they're filled with fluid. And I have a butane refiller. This is interesting. What is it? I don't know what it is. I thought it was a laser, but... What's this? Oh, knife sharpener? Yeah. Oh, that's why I forgot to bring to all my change. And my pennies. Terrible. There's a roll of tape. I could use that, but I have like 5 rolls at home. This is a little engraver. It's cool. This, oh yeah, it's a little girl. Alright, let's go here. Alright, it's taking a lot of time here. Oh, at Gettysburg, Pennsylvania, you go to the battlefield, you can buy these. These are awesome. I don't know what it is either. I looked at it. Books. That's it. Okay, so this is a cool. How much is your wheelchair? Oh, this one. 300? Okay, I heard that. You got good ears.
Wow, I love electronics. Any cell phones or app? Or,
How much is your tools or your toolboxes?
how much you give me an offer for this chair, wheelchair?
I don't know. There's a piece of a wheelchair, I think. Is it?
No, for the car.
Oh, for a cart.
Do you have
Okay.
any starting fluid?
Okay, I do see that now. Whew, look at these boxes.
Parts,
Yeah, computers.
wheelchair parts, wheelchair parts.
These are interesting
Any
tools.
cell phones, Apple?
There's a gear. It's a motor. This thing. This is awesome. If I could replace that and put a grinding wheel on that, man. Put like a 12-inch blade on that. That would be sweet. Look, they got a lot of little blades here. A lot of little blades. Interesting. Wow. Any trailers for sale? Trailers, yeah. No, okay. Okay. It's got nicely organized. I'm impressed. Alright, we're spline. Can't wait till I'm get rid of my house to be done with that. There's some nice chairs. This is a nice chair here. Nice office chair.
This is,
I like that.
it just uses points.
Yeah, how much is it?
$30.
30? Oh,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Okay, let me think about it. It's a good deal. Good deal.
How much you give me for the wheelchair?
Which one? Oh, that one? Oh, let me think about it. Let me take another look at it.
Yes, sir. It's running and everything.
Okay. See more plates. Yeah, it just falls off the wall. There's a boat. Oh, some nice. That's it. Okay, we have a nice office chair. I have one just like that in my house. It's really comfy. $400. A little pricey here. There's It's an open filing cabinet. I don't like that. This, yeah, this is pretty firm. I could make a cool little tool cart. That's plastic. It would break easy. Floor washer. Outdoor lights. They replaced theirs with some LED. Some baking soda. Somebody has some cell phones. I mean, some office phones. Oh, this is a router. This is a router for hardware, not router for computer. $45 drill press. This is pretty cool.
Bicycle parts. I mean, I've seen the thing here, but...
Oh, no. Got a seat.
Yeah, I saw that.
Hardware. Oh, these are good. $5 each. See, stuff here is pricey. See, this is cool. Sprinkler system. I like these things. I like them, but some rats in the attic. A big one. Prices are just too high. So it's like an estate sale, but it's what you really want is these prices are more than that store.
You're gonna be here tomorrow?
No, today's everything's half price.
So this is an estate sale? Is that what it is? Okay.
And they're everything inside too, with the exception of...
See, I like this, but I do like it, but
Yeah, are these books yours?
for $250. I'm not going to videotape inside because I just don't do that. So yeah, that tool chest I need, but I don't do that much. I like the little rolling cart too. It's not for sale. There's some stuff over here. Someone's moving it. Alright, so garbage can. Some clothes. Any trailers for sale? Trailers, yeah.
Any starting fluid?
Any rubber cement for sale? Any cell phones?
Tennis rackets?
Bicycles?
Any Apple equipment?
Any pneumatic tools? Laptops? Computers? I see you're well stocked on lightsabers. All right.
Before the drones,
Right.
so I used to fly it.
Oh, okay.
You know, it's got
It's
the
a
remote
honeybee.
control and all that.
Does it have a camera on it too?
It does not.
Okay. All right. It's got a smoke machine. It's got some awesome stuff here. Fireman, what is this? Oh, chandelier. Okay. It's got cotton. Look at all this stuff. Whoa. Look at all the motorcycles. Look at that. Wow. That's pretty awesome. Well, look at this. It's like a Christmas. This is heavy. This is actually worth money because it's heavy.
I've seen one nice one too here somewhere. Is it this one? Yeah, it's nice. It is good. That's a collector's
See, it's
item.
marked.
You just lost a piece of it.
Christmas engine.
I don't know what
Oh,
it is. Dropped a piece.
it's a Christmas.
This motorcycle is nice too.
Yeah, I see that. Oh, look, he's got some essence oils. This probably goes with this thing.
It's a nice wallet, but see, Nautica wallet. But for me,
I don't
it's
use wallets.
worthless because it doesn't have change. But
Yeah. Someone was into motorcycles, choppers. Here's some baseball caps for you, Philadelphia.
yeah, no, I can't wear these. These are like stiff and they hurt you.
This probably goes with this. These are essence oils.
Yeah, it does.
I just
Okay.
got 3 of those with the hook on for $10 on Temu. Brother, that brother.
Well, this is one of those hand exercises. Exercise your hand that way. You can exercise your fingers. Yeah.
Exercise my fingers. I just
Cute
did
pup.
in the morning.
Okay. I like your taste in music too.
Yeah.
You got it right here. Some nice boots. He's got a nice. That's some kind of a gavel roof, but he's got some nice solar panels up there. I've been looking at them. I want to find a garage sale that they're selling their solar panels off of, because that's where you're going to get the good value. Otherwise, you're going to get a 30-year mortgage buying those solar panels. That's it right there. How much is your air compressor? Sold. Oh, darn it.
Got here a minute too late.
I know.
Any starting fluid for motor, for an engine?
Michael, do we have any starting fluid
Hey, hold this.
for a motor?
Hold
for an
this thing
engine?
here.
No.
Sometimes they sell it because there's a break, because they accidentally went too close to their radial saw. How much is this?
Michael, how much for a measuring tape?
$1.
Oh, all right, it's interesting. Hold on, let me think about it. It's only 10 feet. I wish it was 25.
Wheelchair?
Actually, it is 25. I might have to buy it.
Nice car, Richard. I like the Charger, right? Challenger. I used to have one like that, 1970.
Yeah, here's a
Just a different color.
lithium
like a
ion
purple,
20.
but almost same.
I love
I used to have one like that in the Charger.
It's got a problem with it. Something's going wrong inside it. Oh, this is interesting. This is a body glove. Something.
I don't know if you Optimus on this.
This is interesting. My friend was that is interesting.
So that's what I got right now. That's too big. I used to have my compact.
Yeah, little
I used
So they just bicycle parts and stuff. This is interesting. Hey man, did you buy something? Take a look at this.
40 something.
See, these are only 20-something inch.
What?
Well, I see bicycle parts here and that thing there. I thought you'd take a look at that box. But these are only 26. But and you got some old seats over there. But they're the. So this is an air wrench. So
I don't use it for anything.
this is interesting.
Yeah, I'm gonna use it for my tires. The one that I got
That's what I used to use it for the tires.
See, that's interesting.
And I give you the other one. I give you my old one. I give it to Marcus. Marcus has over there. So now when I got problem, I have to call him to bring me that one over here.
All of this is adjustable too. See, this could be. If this thing turns, I think it may turn. It may turn. No, it doesn't turn. If this thing turned 180 degrees, this would be a good submersible well pump. So This is interesting too. Just come along.
¿Se lo oye?
Sí, pero lo llevo a este, me lo puedo llevar ahora.
And here's some big Legos over there. You get an oversized Lego truck. That's kind of cool. Let's go over there and take a look at it. Look, a big box of big Lego. And you got this Tonka truck too, and you can store it inside. That's interesting. And some tools and bike tires and insulation. Oh my. Yeah, so we have a washing machine. A lawnmower, $100.
I was that was the 130 thing with
Now this is cool.
the bolt.
This little rolling thing. I could put my old tool chest on that.
I was here.
These little tables. Now I have a tool chest now. You'll hear about it in the recap. This is interesting for a sprinkler system, but I would have to buy the whole box. I will need something like this though. How much is your PVC? I'm curious. Yeah, what's all of it? That's tempting. Let me think about it. Milwaukee. Lawnmower tops, which is interesting. This is a nice vise. In fact, I kind of need something like this. For my drill press, this would be really good to lock things in place, but there's no way to lock it down here. He wants $4. I was thinking more of $1. But the nice thing about it is he made these little wooden inserts so they wouldn't wreck stuff.
Excuse me, I don't mind if you walk in front of my house. That one time, I just had to mow the grass. I know, it's all right, thanks, Mom.
I wonder if I could go $1 on this.
Yeah, can't wait.
I guess you would go $1 on that. You would? Okay, let me see. Oh, it's conditional. Oh, hold on. I hear you. I need alternators. You have any alternators for sale? Okay.
Like car alternators?
Yeah.
I had some of them up in my storage.
I hear you.
They're not here.
How much is your wire? Is this wire welding?
Yep.
How much is it?
It's MIG, about $275. I got
Steel or aluminum? What do you?
got both.
Both?
But
Okay.
it's only set up, that bottle's set up for steel, but
Yeah,
there is
yeah.
some aluminum
Yeah, I see.
wire.
All right, let me
Just have
think.
to switch the bottle and
Right.
the thing, but-
Switch the voltage to low, right?
Yeah. Well, I don't know a lot of. I have another.
That was scary. Yeah, it was. Someone's transmission. And that's it. Oh, this is a pool something. Pretty cool, whatever this is. I don't know. Oh, they're workman flags. Wow. That's awesome. And that's actually worth money. Terrible. Oh, look, here's a basketball hoop. This is pretty cool. It's like a door basketball hoop. That's awesome. I like how it comes with a basketball too. And let's see. A lot of cool stuff here. I like this this jukebox. That's totally awesome. Frankie Avalon. The coasters. There's an old phone now. 1960s, 70s. Cookbooks.
Oh no, I don't think. They might be like floating around in there, but I don't.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't think I have a motor that goes to that.
Does your UPS work?
Roy, does that UPS work?
Yes.
Yeah.
Anything wrong with it?
No, I've never used it. Actually, it does. You know.
How old is it?
You know, I don't know.
How much is it
Do you
then?
know how much?
What? Battery thing?
Yeah, this battery
I have
thingy.
no
For the
idea.
heater?
Yeah.
What's on it, Roy?
Number 10.
I'd probably do $7 for it.
You have it $10.
10? Alright, let me think about it. Century, like everyone's getting rid of that. There's a holster. This is interesting. It's a holster, but is it for a gun? This looks like a shoulder holster. It's like a shoulder holster. It's weird. $5 for it. Let's see what happens. Interesting. Got some stuff here. I have that in the garage sale at my house. I'm spending too much money. It's terrible. Tools. Nice bucket of tools. I like the Chicago Bulls. It doesn't. Oh, does it? That's cool. Alright. Someone was at the piggy banks. Someone was in the HO trains. Look at that. That's awesome. Look at that HO train stuff. That's awesome. That's a nice little starter kit. An ammo box here. Damn. Now empty. Lightweight too. Amazing. Oh, there's a grill. It goes up to 800 degrees too. It's electric. This is actually nice. Tabletop, this countertop grill. Yeah, it's nice. Butcher. It's a Schwinn. $15. But this, look at this. 15. Oh, there's something wrong with it, Mom.
Yeah.
This is kind of tight here. But for 15, you can come back for it. Oh, that's off the. It's off. It's out of the place. See, this is.
I know, but why would it be? Because somebody changed the wheel or something?
No, they don't know how to put the chain back. They don't know how to put the chain back in. That's why it's like. That's the deal, Mom. Broken. They don't know how to put this chain back in. Oh, here's a blower. This is cool. But it's made out of plastic. How is this gonna? Dangerous. You try to pressurize that will explode. Even if you touch it, it may explode. These are some kind of crimping devices. Yeah, see, like they're wire strip, big wire strippers and pullers. So strip it, and I'll pull the strip wire off. And see if they do different size wires. Yeah, this one clamps it a little bit better. Pulls it and strips it.
Oh wow. Now what? Can we put it in?
If we can take the wheels off,
Yeah, the wheels are on the
we might be able to put it in. We'll try.
The real one is off already.
Yeah, we'll try. Hate to see you come back for that. Alright. And that's it.
Okay, that thing is torn out. That's the problem. It's a Honda though.
It's missing
No,
this.
it's just the cover is
No,
Honda,
that's
right?
yeah, Troy built with a Honda head. But you know what?
Just the cover.
At that garage sale where I bought the little vice grip, he had extra covers.
This is just the cover, man. This is nothing with Honda.
Yeah, extra cover. But guess what? The cord here is hanging.
Yeah, I
So
know. This
you gotta
it's
open
torn
it.
off.
You gotta open that up anyway.
Yeah,
So
it's torn off.
it's like $5 maximum. So here we go. This little cart there. This is of interest to you, man. Right there.
Very different.
This is cool. This little light. This is interesting. Oh, it's just a. I thought it was a fully working thing. It's not. This is interesting. This is some kind of. It's just interesting. This is nice. Which of them is too small? That's a submersible pump. That's interesting. That's a submersible pump. And that's the hose for it. That could probably drain a pool. And that's big hose. It's interesting. You know, it's a big submersible pump, and it probably would work really good. It's got a floater too. So that's probably a sump pump. The way it's designed. This is cool. This little station here. These things are cool. Look at these little things. Someone made them. Look at the little disc. Terrible. It's made of copper too. Totally awesome. Where's the miniatures? Wow, that's totally awesome. Look at that. Star Wars. Couch, chair. Bed. That's a folding bed. It's like a cot, more like a cot, not a bed. There's a coffee machine. There's a Ninja Double Brew. Specialty coffee.
How much is your?
What's it like?
I'm just asking 5.
All right, recap. Today, I did buy a lot. I already emptied the car because I'm getting ready to put my bicycle in the car. So let me show you what I bought. Let's go over here. I lost track of how much I spent, but let me go over the items as I see them. I bought these shoes for $5. These brand new shoes, my size. Sad thing is I already bought shoes. They wanted $5 on it. They were not negotiable. This UPS they were asking $10 on. It's a nice one because it's got Ethernet surge protection. It's got coaxial surge protection, and it's got a lot of ports. They want 10. I got them down to 5, so we're up to $10 altogether. I paid $5 on this. It's brand new, never been used. I thought there can't be anything wrong with this, so I'm hoping my $5 purchase is good because that's like $100 in the store. So I'm up to $15 already. I spent. This is my big purchase. This thing here. Wow. I didn't pay $250. I got for half price, $125. But I needed one. Let's see my old one. One of the drawers is missing. I have it over there. It's a little bit bent, actually, right here. It fits in, but it needs some tender loving care. So that is going to be plus. It's the same thing, Craftsman. You can see Craftsman. It's just that this is in better condition than that. Drawers are definitely better maintained. So I'm in the process of moving right now, but I have all my tools on the floor. And then I bought this for $1. They were asking $4. I got it for $1. This, I have a little boring thing. I'm taking a non-firing and making it into a firing. So you know what I'm talking about. So that, I was making a form over here on the ground, but I had some work crews in here and they accidentally stepped on it and broke it. So I was making a form to hold one of those firing things. But now that I have that, I'll just put a little bit of foam. That will hold it in place, real nice and snug. And I'll be boring away. So anyway, I spent $125 plus 1. That's $126 plus 16 over here. So wow. So $126. I spent 130, 142. So fantastic day. I don't think I bought anything for resale, but anyway, hopefully better luck next weekend.